Hello, if you want to block a number on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, first you need to open the phone app, and then over here you have several options. For instance, if a number was calling you and you don't have the number saved in the contacts, then you can press and hold in recent. So if you press and hold your finger on recent, then over here you'll have the option to block the number. Now in my case I only can delete the number because it is a private number. But if you can actually see the number, then you can block it over here by pressing and holding the finger. And if you have the number saved in your contacts, then of course you can go to the contacts, select the contact, and then over here in contact settings we have block numbers over here, so you can press this button. You can also, in addition to that, report as spam if you select this option. If you untick this box, then you don't have to, then you don't report as spam, and you need to confirm by pressing this block text. So if you do that, then the contact will be blocked. And in addition to that, there's also one more way to block a number. If you don't have that number in contacts and that number didn't call you, but you still know the number that you want to block, then you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then go to settings. Over here choose blocked numbers, and here you have add a number option. If you press it, then you can enter the phone number over here, and then you can press block. And there we go, the number has been blocked. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!